Hello guys, welcome to today's analysis on Metal Token. Metal Token started its rally from a support zone as we projected, and it's now heading towards its first resistance zone. Its behavior around this zone would determine when we are going to add more to our position on Metal Token. I'll walk you through this analysis from the present moment. I'll explain the big picture, and I'll also show you the projection of where Meta token is heading to. Let's get into this analysis in detail. When you look at the charts, you will see that from this large reversal bar that has explosive volume, that was when the sellers take charge on Meta token and they trade the price downward towards the 200-day moving average. Don't forget the moving average, the 200-day moving average is the floor for the buyers. Buyers hardly allow price to fall beyond the 200-day if the uptrend is still intact. While the price was on the 200-day moving average, the buyer put a stop on it on this particular bar, and it continued to range for several periods. While the ranging took so long, the buyers continued to show strength in the sideways market. On this particular bar, the buyer show in strength both with volume and outside bar. That is telling us that the buyers are coming back on board. Then the price continued to range for several sections before the buyer shoots in another shot, and the price now gain more support from metal token now gain more support from buyers, which continue its rally from the support zone. There are things that let us know which direction the price will be heading to. When you look at the price, while it was ranging in the sideways market, at the bottom underneath the chart, the volume continued to dry up, and whenever price is trading on a support zone and volume continue to dry up, is an indication that the price will reverse to the upside. That's exactly what happened on metal token. The buyers now show their power and they've pushed the price. It's now rallying, it's heading to the resistance, and if it finally break through the resistance, we'll add more to our position. Let me now show you the big picture and let you understand how price has been working in the past. Guys, I'll use this opportunity to appeal to you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. If you really want me to continue uploading analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency, your subscription to the channel is what motivates me and let me share my analysis with my fans. I really appreciate your guys' support. Let's continue. When you now look at the chart, I'm zooming out so we can see what has been happening from the left side. You see that the market bottom, after it bottom, it traded sideways a little bit, and even when it was bottoming, the volume was dried up too. That's an indication that things is going to change, and that's exactly what happened. It now have a nice ride up to point 1. While it was at point 1, the seller hit it back, sending it downward to the 200-day moving average. That's the support zone. It tested it here a little bit. It also tested it here too, making two times it has tested the support zone. Then the price continued to rally upward around the 50-day and the 21-day exponential moving average before the seller hit it back with this huge reversal bar that's finally now slapped the price back to the support zone. And on the support zone, when the volume dried to the lowest level, the buyers had more volume from their orders and and the price began to rally with all this explosive bar. Not even the bar alone, the volume as well, their explosive volume supporting the strength of this rally. This is an indication that whales are buying and the price is approaching the resistance zone in no time. Let's now focus on where we will be taking our profit. There are things that validate this trade. There is also a trend line which I'm going to connect from point 1 to the nearest resistance zone. I'll extend it to this resistance zone. Why doing this? It's showing okay, it's perfect now on this resistance zone. While doing this, we can see that the price is trying to break the trend line. Immediately it break above this trend line, is now confirming to us that the uptrend has resumed even before getting to this resistance zone, because the trend line is so powerful and the price is now rising above it. One also thing to consider, the volume is huge, and this volume are the footprint of whales and professional traders. As they are trading, it's always good to always trade alongside with them. So this is still an opportunity for traders to come in. It's just four sections that has this rally, and the price is just picking up from the support zone. You can see the number of days it spent on this support and all the number of sections that was spent there. But within just four sections, the price is hitting a very high price. So the trade is still around a safe zone for us to enter, and we can continue the trade while it's going in our direction. I'm now going to show you the projection for metal token. When you look at the chart, prior to bear market hitting metal token and the crypto market, the high price it notched is around $10, and ever since then it has been coming downward, and the bear market sent it so hard before the market finally bottom on this area. After the bottom, it has been rising up gradually, and then it's now bouncing off from the support with a very explosive volume. We've seen such volume, it's been a very long time, and these are the type of volume that change direction of the trend. While it's now starting from support, it's telling us that the buyers are now in full force, pushing the price upward drastically. When you look at the chart, you can see the target point. Our target point is $10. That's where we will be expecting to take our short-term profit, or before metal token had another significant correction. Guys, I really appreciate your support for subscribing to the channel. As you like the video and your comments, it always motivates me to come back every day to post analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I would like them to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.